had a shutdown this morning here in this panel right here. Got that done. As you can see, got the pipe and the box and the wire pulled. And then today I added this pipe right here. Just made it easy by adding a coupling right there so I could mount that strap right there, because I'm by myself, so I could just do this pipe offset up there. I didn't really want to have to do any guesswork and have to worry about shoving a coupling in there or a connector in there and then strapping it afterwards. So I could just strap that and then just go from there. So I made it a little bit easier. So offset up there, and then I went straight across. I did work backwards from the box. As you can see, the box is right up there. So I went ahead and worked backwards, and then as soon as I got backwards, the pipe was too short. It was like a foot short, so I just cut this one back and then had to put two couplings in the middle, unfortunately. It would have been nice if it would have just been one piece, but it is what it is. But I got the back-to-back 90 with the other 90, so I got 3 90s and a kick on there into the box with a baby strap right out of the top. So yeah, that is what I worked on today. Here is my stick of pipe with the 4 bends in it. This reminded me of my old apprentice Nick, which we used to call, well, I used to call one stick Nick because I always made him try to do everything in one stick of pipe. It was good times. Anyways, I also replaced this receptacle here by the door. The red light means that it was bad and it doesn't work anymore, so I went ahead and swapped that baby out. Alright, so for the rest of the day, I'm going to leave the ventilator on or whatever. So anyways, for the rest of the day, I went ahead and mounted this spreader bar, mounted this box for the data, 90 out, up to 10 foot. Over here, 20 inches to the top, 3 foot to the right side, offset, box offset, shot to the wall at, that was random. Shot this box to the wall at under 3 foot. You might think that's more than 3 feet, but it's actually not. It's like 35 inches. So anyways, shot that to the wall and then shot it one more time up there. And yesterday I went ahead and turned the circuit back off, and then I moved this spreader bar back into the wall, found some 1-inch mud rings that'll get me really close to the edge of the sheetrock. And so that'll be really close, so it won't be like super far back in the sheetrock. And I don't even know what else I did yesterday, but that was one of the main things, was moving that spreader bar back and then turning the power back on and all that stuff. So anyways, yeah, good times. Got a lot done today with the pipe work. Basically all I did was pipe today. And then I'm gonna pull all the wire tomorrow for the circuits in the dialysis equipment storage room, which is just going to be refeeding and splitting circuits. So they're already piped because they're critical circuits. So basically it comes down the wall, and then I'm just going to add some more wire down there for the quadplexes. I'm going to split the quadplexes, one circuit on one and one circuit on the other, and I'm going to do that 4 times, adding 4 new circuits to the east wall in the storage room for the dialysis. So that's what I'll be doing tomorrow. Finish that up tomorrow, and then I'll probably be back in here. I still got to put on these mud rings. I'm going to do flat mud rings on these exterior walls. Obviously the sheetrock needs the 5/8 or 3/4. Those are 5/8. We don't have 3/4. So I'm going to put flat mud rings like that one right there on there, 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 and then there's another one right there. And then, like I said, this one is already mud ringed and good to go. That one, they're using an existing hole there, and I think there's another existing hole there, but I still have to cut in a quadplex right here and a quadplex like right here. So that's what I'll be working on tomorrow if I finish all the wire pull and stuff. Or when I finish the wire pull, if there's enough time, I'll start back in here in the CHR. So that's what I got going for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Good times. Drop a like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Peace. All right, so I did remember now, as soon as I was driving home, what I did yesterday, and that was working on prepping for the shutdown, which included cutting the pipe, mounting the box, mounting the corkscrew anchors for the box, taking the box down, getting the wire bundle ready. So taping all, I think we pulled in 10 wires, including the ground. So there was like 9 bundles of wire. It was like all the odd numbers. It was like circuit 17, 19, 21, 23, skip 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35 or something like that. Maybe not 35. Anyways, got all that ready, taped that together. Labeled those with the number markers and then taped it on the other side, and then Sharpied that so it was labeled on both sides. That was about 10 feet of wire. So we pulled that in this morning, got that all landed up. Breakers were already in there. And then that was good. That was just came in an hour early, starting at 5 in the morning. And I don't remember if I did what else I did yesterday, some other things that I can't remember. Anyways, that wraps up this video. If I didn't already, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And yep, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.